Controversial crossdresser Bobrisky don buy the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. My gist corner lovers, una welcome back to Gist Corner with Happy. Controversial crossdresser Bobrisky don spend n1.4 million take buy the new iPhone 14 Pro Max come share the receipt as im bin dey do unboxing video give im fans. Bobrisky don join celebrities wey don own the new released iPhone 14 Pro Max and na n1.4 million be the amount for the phone. Bobrisky come post the video. For inside the video, e come even post the receipt of the phone in case of some people wey wan doubt am whether na dash dem dash am. Make una see how people come dey react. Na on top Bobrisky matter I go close mouth for today Gist Corner with Happy. Make una stay safe o, make una no look for wahala. Una bye.